Good morning. It is Season 2, Episode 2 here in Alpha 19. Welcome back to my 7 Days to Die series I'm calling The Kill Switch. Please hit that like button and help me develop my channel by sharing my content on your social media. Today we are going to make it our goal to get an iron tool of some kind. We're going to go do a little looting. Let me make sure nobody's out and about real close by, and then we'll hop down. Yeah, we're going to do a little looting. We're going to go back to the trader and get our quest reward. I'm just going to jump down. Trader's that way. There's some buildings that way. Actually, we're going to that church. Hey, Kenny. Whoa. One of us missed. I think it was both of us. Coffins are good for all kinds of things, and when you get your perks up and read the right book, something like that, they can even give you, gold, gems, silver, all that junk. Ugh. That was nasty. Alright. Yeah, getting ammo this early in the game is great, because by the time you get a gun, you need it. There's other handy things that we can get in here too, I guess. I'm gonna finish this row. Oh. And I can't repair it because I don't have any rocks. Rocks. Alright. We're gonna crouch down because we can get sneak damage. Check that out. Nope, we missed. You gotta stay right out of his range, but within your range. And that's hard to judge. Alright. It would be really nice to get a blunderbuss. Just saying. Nope. But that's a nice find. And now we don't have to make a knife. Okay, so one of the things I failed to mention yesterday is that we're doing the standard Navis game map. Since last alpha, they actually increased its size, so it's got a little bit more to it, and they changed some things around. I pretty much know where I'm on the map. I'm really close to a tool place, which I might go and visit today.
Congratulations! Well, look what the cat dragged in.
Alright, well, I'm going to close that just in case. Let's try this again.
Congratulations!
I'm taking the
I can make
shotgun
my
shells.
payment to the Duke now.
That was awesome. Let's talk to Jen. No sell price on that. Keeping everything else. Okay.
Really?
Alright, yeah, wait, hold on. Let's
Well,
get a
okay
job.
then.
Let's get another job. Berry supplies.
We're all fantastic.
Not far
Hope
away.
to see you soon.
Let's check that on the map. Oh, that's kind of in the direction where we want to go, because we want to go right here. So it's north-ish. Ah, that guy's gonna drive me nuts. Let's go ask him to be quiet. No. Stay down. And you... you just get to, be guilty by consorting with the enemy. Oh, that was not close enough. Ooh, that looked painful. Alright. Let's go do this first, and then we'll head over to the tool place. I'm tired. Been doing stuff all day long on 7 Days to Die at the Deathstalker server. And my brain is kind of damaged. Yay! We got honey out of that. That helps cure infection in case we get hit too hard. Is there anything we can get rid of? We can get rid of grass. Not getting rid of the clay. Actually, you know what we're going to do? We're going to build one of these. And we're going to put it over there. That's what happens when you don't save a little bit in reserve and you just run all out. You need to save some stamina. You down? Oh, she's down. Okay. Alright, let's do this. Oh, not that one. We have a shovel in our inventory. We need a repair. What are we missing? Rocks? We dropped our rocks off. I'm hungry to get me some dukes. Because we need a real tool. I don't care what it is. Could be a shovel. Could be a pick. Could be an axe. I'll take an axe too. A level 1 axe. Level 1 pick. Level 1 shovel. Anything is better than this. Now, one thing about liquids in general is they have a stamina regen on them. So it really helps your stamina to drink a little liquid. I'm hungry to get me some dukes. Because we need a real tool. I don't care what it is. Could be a shovel. Could be a pick. Could be an axe. I'll take an axe too. A level 1 axe. Level 1 pick. Level 1 shovel. Anything is better than this. Now, one thing about liquids in general is they have a stamina regen on them. So it really helps your stamina to drink a little liquid. Well, dang. We don't have any rocks. Oh, we have one rock. I don't know how we got it, but here we go. Again. Alright, these things do not cause spawns. Grab them in safety. That is an amazing find. Not only that, but 3 beakers? How much are they worth? I only need 1 right now. Yep, I'm selling myself 2 beakers. For sure. Is there anything on us that we don't need? Grass. For now, I'm holding on to the paper. I'll probably get rid of it when we get to the barn. But there's a decent loot chest up on the top. We're going to see if we can't get us something nice out of it. Can we put anything into Lucky Looter at the moment? No. Well, okay. Alright. Our next point's going into Lucky Looter. Perception level 5. Are we 5? No, we're 4. No, we need to go into 1 more into Perception, and we'll go to Lucky Looter. No. They deserve it. Try not to jump either. It takes a lot of stamina. How am I missing? Anytime. Okay. Yeah, buddy. It's on like Donkey Kong. Okay. Important thing is maintaining your distance. It's like COVID, right? You don't want to catch it? Well, it's the same way with these guys. You don't want to get hit by them, so you got to stay out of their reach, but stay within yours. Alright, a nice thing early game is a good workbench, but that's not a good workbench. Alright, let's see if we can... We did it! Yay! Give me my arrow back. Alright, what's in here? What's in here? Armor. We want to wear that. This can go in our shovel. Yeah. Oh. Take it with us. That's going to be useful. And let's take some gas. And let's hope for dadgum blunderbuss. Oh, got another knife though. So we're going to another knife. I only see the one. How weird. Okay. I'm thinking we don't hit. Oh, almost. I'm thinking that we don't hit the tool place today, even if we have time. Because if we do, we'll have to wait 3 more days before we can hit it. And we might only get stone tools. Right? And I don't want to loot that place. Only get stone tools and only have stone tools for like the next 3 days. There's a possibility that we could go into Dyersville. I'm gonna have to think about that. Okay, what are we gonna do here? Alright, let's modify. Put that and that, complete it. Let's modify this. Wait, are we wearing armor? No, we're not. Okay, so modify. Put this in there. Complete it. Wear this. Wear that. Why didn't we put that on when we got it? Yeah. Let's see. 19. We'll just scrap it. Anything we want to get rid of. Paper. Scrap the nails. Scrap that. There's a deer off over there. Look at that. They always taunt me whenever I can't do anything about it. We're going to scrap that too, because we can't do anything with it. I don't see anything I want to get rid of. Let's make these into bandages. Now we got a little bit more room. Hey, was that food? No, it was not food. It was more armor, which we can sell, and I think we picked up some repair kits, right? Alright, but our dude is starving. We need to get into the kitchen. Find some cabinets, something. Uh-oh, we're gonna get hit. Okay. That was close. I want all this, but I'm so hungry. Alright. I think we go up from the kitchen. I mean into the kitchen. That was a weird noise. More armor we can sell. Cool. I heard breaking glass. We don't have any broken glass on us, so that was somebody else. But by somebody else, I mean a zombie. There's no other people on this server. More duct tape. Yay. Tell you what, I actually get that excited about finding duct tape in real life. You know what I mean? You go through an old bag like that you had in the closet and you pull out some duct tape and you're like, don't know how that got in there, but I'm glad I have it now. Just around the corner. Yes. Wearing that. I think somebody's outside. Yeah, I hear him up there. Nice if we found some more clothes. That wasn't rotted. Yeah, I hear them. They're walking outside. I'm gonna try to bust their way in. It is 18:05. I'm quitting in just a minute. I want to get this kitchen looted. Call that good. So I can have something to eat. Anything? Alright. Oh, this is terrifying. Have I gotten anything to eat? Tuna. We'll have to do. Alright, we're going. It's time to go. Do we have that Mega Crush on us? No. Wrong way. anything? Nope, but we are full. Now they're far away. Alright, we gotta get back to the trader in this condition. So let's do this. Yeah, we do have that. Alright. That Mega Crush will help us move a little bit faster. If we had steroids, that'd help too. I left steroids back in our little main base. And I think next time, tomorrow, I'll probably take them out with me. Come on. If you look at my stamina, it's got an impairment down to, I don't know what it is, probably about 100, or no, 90. And that is due to the fact that I am starving. My health bar, which is green, is at about 50%. We got plenty of liquids, we got plenty of temporary energy, but I don't have like that long-term energy that you need for stamina. Alright, we're going to sell these 2 jackets. We're not selling the duct tape. We're going to repair the armor, sell it. So, repair, that's not the armor. Repair, and repair. We're going to take one of these, set it over here, and we're going to sell those. Let's get rid of that. That's a BDU top. We're going to wear that, and we're going to scrap this. I didn't even know I had that. Let's just take the stuff we're going to sell, put it down here. Go collect our quest reward, come back out here and grab whatever else. Oh, give me that back. That we want out of that chest that we're going to take back. That doesn't overburden us. No lucky looter. Wait a minute. Buy. 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 I might even buy that coffee.
I knew you had it in you.
Yes.
Good work.
We're getting that complete. All right, how much? 935. Okay. We're gonna get 96. So, let's see inventory. Thought we'd get more. Thought we'd get more. All right, but it's still not a bad deal here. Let's look for a weapon. Nope. Okay, what about in there? No, no weapon. Dang it. Grandpa's awesome sauce. What is it again? I don't know what it is. I can't remember. I think it's a bartering. Okay, what can we get that we need? Was there any tools? Tools. No, no tools. Okay, just traps. Is there anything at all? We get that iron sledgehammer. It uses so much stamina, though. If we got a club, it wouldn't use so much stamina. And I really like that, though, but you gotta have stamina for it. I don't think that we need anything. We got 3 first aid kits. That's really important. We have our own armor. I'm not seeing... Oh, that was the same list. Okay, let's go back to the secret stash. What's this? Acid. We're not interested in that right now. How about this one? That's purifying water. That's it. Okay.
Remember me if you need medical
Wait,
supplies.
was there any food? I see inventory. Did you have any food? The Fort Bites. That's candy. We don't want that.
If you find any extra medicine out there, I'll buy it off of you for a discount.
Coffee. Bye bye. Coffee's good. Here, let's eat some food. I'm gonna eat all this. You know, we passed by water earlier today, and got to refill. Alright, what? Let's take this with us. Let's take this with us. Let's take the corn with us. Water, empty jars, eggs. Let's see, what time is it? 21:13? Yep, we better run. It's time for us to go. No joke. Well, we did not accomplish our goals today at all. Not even close. But we got some dukes, and we did not starve to death. We upgraded our stone tools a little bit. That was about, I guess, as good as a second day as you could hope for. Alright. Let's see what we can do with corn right now. Cornmeal. It's not going to let me do anything. What about boiled corn? Nope. Everything's locked. Okay, I gotta get rid of this menu. I'm sorry. That's completely useless. Oh, here's something we can eat. How about a boiled egg? Can't make charred meat because we don't have any meat. Right? We don't have any meat? No, we don't have any meat. We got lots of eggs though. I hate to do this, but we're gonna boil like 3 eggs. It's gonna use up bottles of water too. Yeah, let's do it. Some coal. 48 seconds. That's more than enough time to cook. Let's get rid of some stuff. Don't need that. Oh hey. Yeah, we'll let it continue. I'm gonna put the rest of these in there because the more you have in there, the faster it goes. That is a gold mine. Grandpa's awesome sauce was for bartering. I might go back and buy that schematic if I don't have anything better to buy with my money, but I really, really, really need something better. That. Oh, we gotta put those in there. I'm gonna keep all of this on my hotbar. It looks like I'm down to iron arrows, so let's just grab this. Wait, maybe I put them in that other chest. Maybe that's the problem. Still, might as well make some more arrows. Craft some frames. Alright, so make a bedroll. Craft. Let's make some arrows. Craft, and then let's make wood frames. Oh, we don't need that many. Let's grab 100. And we will start a base tomorrow, I think. How are you doing? Okay, turn on. Alright. What are these? 10? And we got from there to go, so let's try it. Let's eat some eggs. I know what eggs do to me in real life. Alright, I could eat this and this. Alright, I can eat corn too, but I don't know how much food it gives me. Let's see, I've got... We'll let this go down a little bit, and then I'll eat a corn. I say I don't know how much it can give me because it's right here, but it's hidden by the same thing that was hiding something a little while ago. We'll just see. Hey, that's cornmeal. I wonder if I can make cornbread out of it. We'll try that too. Alright, let's eat a corn on the cob. Use 1. Yeah, I'm not doing that. We're going to cook them first. Alright. Recipes. Can't make cornbread. Can't make cornbread yet. Dang it. I'm going to have to put a point into Master Chef. I'm going to keep these on me. Add those. I'm going to swap the coffee for that for right now. Put all the ammo down here on one thing. Medication. I'm just doing a little bit of organizing. Possible food. Stuff I'm going to smelt down. Building supplies. Yeah, that's probably good enough. Oh, this can go. That's just crap. But my food did go up, and my health and my stamina are corrected. Alright, I think I'm going to look around and see if there's a rock around here. A boulder? There is. Let's sneak over there. Smack on the boulder for a little while and see what happens. I need rocks. Really sucks to try to get rocks at this low of a stage. There's a fat tourist right there. We're not doing this. Bad idea. You know, I think we're just going to go back over here. And get back up here. And let's see if we can reach him with an arrow. Oop, misfire. Well, that didn't work. And I don't want to use up all of my arrows. I think at this point he's close enough we can go around. So let's try that. Alright. Let's look around. Make sure that we don't see anybody. There's somebody right there. Center of screen. Okay. Let's try. Well, I was hoping that I could drag him over there and smack him a little bit with my arrows, but he's going to be too slow. He's going to be way too slow. Well, he's a little faster now. Well, he was definitely easier than I was expecting. That's for sure. Alright, we got our stuff. Oh, I forgot. Let's lay down this right there. It's going to be terribly annoying. We don't use halite in this game. I have just the perfect amount of rock and clay. We're going to put this in there. So, recipes, cobblestone rocks, craft. Making some cobblestone rocks, fellas. This means we need more rocks, obviously. Okay, alright. I would like to thank y'all for coming and watching this. I'll be putting out some more. And hopefully we'll get to the point where I can actually build that base for you. And you can see what it's like. It goes through phases and stages, which makes it interesting, right? So I will talk to y'all tomorrow. Have a good one.